All right, I'm here in the Jasmine, and there are three really cool things that I want to share with you about this floor plan. And at the very end, I want to tell you how you can get a payment that's that of a home $100,000 less than this home by taking advantage of an incredible incentive we have right now. Stay tuned till the end to hear all about it. Feature number one in this floor plan is this very unique kitchen nook space. Now, the way we set this up is not as traditional as you normally see in a home. Oftentimes you see an island like this that faces, when you're standing at the sink, you're looking directly into the living room. In this one, we have a turned island so that as you're standing at the sink, you're actually facing out the back of the home. And it's kind of nice because if you're standing there getting dinner ready for the family or whatever, you're always looking out at the back. You can see out the back windows, and on this half-acre home site, that is a big plus. Feature number two is this central laundry. I'm here in the laundry room, and what's really cool about this is that we are right outside of the master closet on this side. And if I flip around to the other side, you'll see that we've got the other three bedrooms are right here. You've got your study and the two kids' bedrooms, so that no matter who needs their laundry done, it is a very short walk to this centralized laundry, and that just makes life so much easier. Feature number three is this monster man cave. Not only is this a 3-car garage here, but you also have this bonus space of this extra deep space here, which gives you almost a whole 4th-car garage. If you need space for storage or just somewhere to put your husband, this is the plan for you. And last but not least, our incentive right now is amazing. This is the best incentive in the 35+ year history of Shaw Homes. If you get in touch with us before the end of this month, we are doing $25,000 incentive. Now, you can use that in a couple of different ways. You can do it for a permanent interest rate buy down, which is for the entire 30 years of your mortgage. Not those little introductory teaser rates that some builders are doing, but for the whole 30 years. And then on top of that, you can also get your closing costs paid or use part of it to buy down the total price of the home and bring that down. So just to give you an idea of how much that rate buy down is, it will literally make the payment on this home be that of the payment on a home that is $100,000 less than this home. That's right. You could go out there and buy a used home that's $100,000 less, or get this brand new home for the same payment. It is amazing. You got to get in touch with us today. We'll be glad to show you all of our move-in ready homes.